Stand
quotation
by.
marks, weapons, close quotation
3,
marks.
2, 1. Activate.
Here we go, instant anti-teamwork here. I've noticed Duke has some new graffiti on it, saying it's full away, ain't no hollaback juice. That is certainly a choice of words.
Descending.
We've seen Sandy Cheeks thrown in the pit now. Almost been thrown in there. Spinning up. The pit flapping to try and assist. Save Sandy Cheeks. And Sandy Cheeks descended into the pit of death. Who's left solo to fight against Pallas and Lucha? It's a 1v2 now, so if it goes the full way, it's all lost for the beast, so it has to try and hit one of these robots quickly. Some bits went flying there from someone, but all three robots still functional so far. Big throw there from Lucha. Lovely toss across the arena, and into the pit. A stunning bit of driving right there. Good.